one lady in that church who was getting a spirit quick.
God, you know I stop you. God, why you know I stop him, sir?
Jamaican churches be like,
Morning congregation, Sister Paulette, Pum Pum ever blessing, Angle Dip.
Niggas in Jamaica be like, no, sir. Yo, ease off. Yo, I'm not paying no money, you know.
Suck your mama. Somebody like you be mine.
I coulda never make this a batty boy chat to fire.
Rubbish pan, cornflakes, settee, ear oil, roll on, rubber.
oh my God, you Jamaican, say something for me. Sometimes you walk like you have something stuck up in your body. What did you say? You look good.
Go in the room and turn right and you see the orange something on the something. Now you see it.
Okay, where is it?
It's not there. Yeah, you that? Right, that's all.
Them brighty. But wait.
Dirty plate and you asleep? Get up now.
Your parents have acted like $20 could last you the whole week. Your dad could get $20. $20 for what? I'm gonna get $20 last week. I want.
Bomboclaat, Master Joe, take your goat out of me yard. Chop him up and make goat soup. Yam my cassava and my potato and my ganja.
Ashley, Chantel, Sabrina, Paulette, Marsha, Brianna, come here. Grandma, my name is Shana.
Begging some of that, no? No. Please? Me say no. Please, no, man. Take this, man. Knock for the more. You're too fucking craving.
$4 when it's 3.89 up a street for one little bumper chicken? No, sir. Them tea.
Eat him. Yes, him is a liar. Don't you? Eat him. Yes.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks.
So what we about to eat, yo? That blood clot. What kind of batty man thing that? I don't want nothing but 5 guys come together and make.
Yeah, they made up on the road. One brother tell me say have party at a mansion. I said, me bumbo. Nobody forgot no mansion. Girl shot in here.
Jamaicans be like,
Burger! You tell us on a style. Girl, better can't cook.
Foot off me, Daniel. I said, take your foot off me because if me lick it and broke it too, you know, you think I...
Jamaicans be like,
regular party. Reggae comes on.
Jamaicans be like,
Oh, look at bright out order. All left empty tray in the freezer.
Hey, y'all remember back in Jamaica when you had to go take a shower and the water cold in the fuck? I used to be like, what?
Brazilian this. Come on, you need to up. Look at my clients.
I feel terrible. It's gas. But I'm coughing up blood. Bad case of gas, that's all it is. But gas.
Your parents ever look on you and call you the wrong name and you just look on them like, Anna, you name me? Oh, you get that wrong.
When you disrespect your Jamaican mother, they be like,
Can't believe it. Can't believe my first picnic would I really do something like this.
nigga, you ain't shit. You ain't shit.
Blood clot. Jamaican parents be like, you follow too much company. If you jump off a bridge, I can jump with him. I be like, of course, I'm a bridge in that, Bomboclaat.
Me bumbo. Yo, how poop? Me still. No, sir, that smell like a crocodile gut.
You know which part she can live?
Go up there again, go so, then you go over there, there's a house.
When your parents send you for the belt.
Here.
What is?
Here.
Tootie.
Here.
Just right.
If you have a Jamaican parents, this is the first thing you hear in the morning.
Jesus. Can you leave me alone, please? I don't like you. I said I don't like you. I said, Miss, I'm in a blood clot like you. Bomboclaat.
Jamaicans be like, what time me tell you to come in the house? 10 o'clock. So why you not coming in the house when me tell you? Bobby said he gonna walk me home.
Bomboclaat, guess though.
Nicki Minaj and Drake are idiot.
Me and Drake I got mad them blood clot but where I know about so.
She a try play it off.
Hold on there. So a 16-year turn now? Yeah, March 22nd. Jesus Christ, look pan big man!
Mommy, I don't want no more. You not get up till you finish everything on the plate there. You just kiss your teeth? No.
When Jamaicans wake you up, they do everything in the book.
Jonah, get up, get out of bed. Sun a shine. You make me come fling water upon you. Get up.
Sleeping Jamaicans be like,
What? You don't know me? Get shook!
How Jamaicans use vowels. Apple, heg, orange, yai.
Babes, what you do make you not answer your phone? Call me. Hey, dirty blood clot boy. I feel like me a begging nothing. Eh? Mama style you. Eh?
How Jamaicans mom be laughing? Hey, hey, yeah! My granny neck back!
Jamaicans be like,
Therese, it's a sink full of ways. You can't find a cup?
No. Jamaican conductors be like, yeah man, one I go, half a tree. Which one I go? Man, John? Jump in, man. Come in, man. Roll up, yo.
Put bucket bomb.
Jamaicans can't pronounce their H's. Help me. I hate you. I love you with all my heart. Give me an apple.
Big up Kerry Shana Mobile. Big up Junior and Kingston.
Play the music, mama. Jamaicans will make up the weirdest shit just to insult you. What? You know, see how you smell like when dog and donkey are fuck. Who find us some man?
It was at this moment she knew she fucked up.
Jamaicans be like,
When you got the blood clot now, me try to take me in and go under my bed. Me have to take me blood clot pill. You shut up.
Yeah, man, when you see me come across the dance party, go to produce some the 80 but mental when the party.
When the man next to you talk, you know say about man. Jamaicans be like, me hear what you there saying now, just repeat it. Repeat it one last time, man. Jamaicans be like,
Marlon! What? Hold on there. What you talked about? What? You want me to...
Jamaican grandmas be like, make sure to carry back my soap dish.
yo, Tamika, go. That's why you shape like duffel bag. Squeeze up pillow. Wrinkle file. Bend up buckle. Keckle.
I do nothing. I did nothing at all.
that's not true.
You wash your plate? Yeah. You tidy your room? Yeah. Go for your paintbrush on a bucket and come paint the ceiling now.
When you come home real hungry and you see your mother cook the same shit again for the third time this week, you be like,